Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do SAT Math Level 2 Prep homework lesson for Section 1, Part 1. And for our homework for Part 1 of Section 1, which is about functions, you got 34 points here on your homework sheet, which you should have out in front of you. Name, date, period here. Students, do that. And then due date down here for homeschoolers and onliners. And we go right into page 1 here of your homework. You have a situation here with these ordered pairs is to be a function. If this is to be a function, which one of the following must be removed from the set? So you decide that. And then down here, we have this function here, this function here, and then we have these ordered pairs here. So decide from these choices here which best fits this scenario up here. So you got 8 points here on page 1. Page 2, what values must be excluded from the domain of f of x, x plus 2 over x minus 2. Decide that. And number 4, if f of x equals this, and f of negative 2 would equal blank. So fill in that blank from these choices here. And you got 8 points here for page 2. Page 3, f of x equals 4x minus 5. G of x equals 3x. Then f of g of 2 would equal what? Decide what that is. 4 points here for page 3. Page 4, f of g of x equals 4x squared minus 8x. And f of x equals x squared minus 4. Then g of x equals what? So decide what g of x equals. 4 points here for page 4. Page 5, what values must be excluded from the domain of f over g of x if f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 and g of x equals 3x squared minus 3. So what values must be excluded from that when you have f over g here? And you got 4 points here for page 5. Page 6, that g of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of f of x equals x. Then f of 2 would equal one of these choices here. 4 points for page 6. And then page 7, if p of x equals 4x minus 6 and p of a equals 0, then a equals, and then here's your choices here for that. 2 points for page 7. And as your homework for SAT Math Level 1, Level 2 actually, SAT Math Level 2 Prep, for your first section about functions, animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.